24 Bazaar, your go-to affiliate product website for all your shopping needs. At 24-bazaar.com, we are passionate about helping our users find the products they need from a variety of trusted brands. 4-in-1 electric razor for women, shaver, trimmer, armpit, bikini, face, body, portable and painless. Detail, experience smooth and painless hair removal with the 4-in-1 electric razor for women. This versatile device serves as a shaver and trimmer, suitable for use on armpits, bikini area, face, and body. It is portable and designed for convenience, providing a hassle-free grooming experience. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and enjoy silky smooth skin effortlessly. Professional 2-in-1 Women's Epilator, Electric Razor, Painless Hair Removal, Face, Bikini, Pubic. Detail, achieve professional level hair removal with the 2-in-1 Women's Epilator. This electric razor offers painless and efficient hair removal for the face, bikini area, and pubic region. Say goodbye to unwanted hair and enjoy long-lasting smoothness with this versatile and effective hair removal tool. 2023 Xiaomi Mijia Garment Steamer, Electric Steam Cleaner, Flat Ironing Clothes, Hanging. Detail, effortlessly refresh and straighten your clothes with the 2023 Xiaomi Mijia Garment Steamer. This electric steam cleaner doubles as a flat iron, allowing you to easily remove wrinkles and creases from your garments. Whether you're ironing flat or hanging clothes, this steamer provides efficient and convenient garment care. Senkyu Handheld Garment Steamer, 1500W, portable, fast heat, for clothes ironing. Detail, easily remove wrinkles from your clothes with the Senkyu Handheld Garment Steamer. This portable steamer features a fast heat technology and a powerful 1500W motor, ensuring efficient and effective ironing. Say goodbye to creases and enjoy wrinkle-free garments in no time. Professional Ceramic Wave Hair Iron, Adjustable Temperature, Wide Wave Plate. Detail, achieve stunning wavy hairstyles with the Professional Ceramic Wave Hair Iron. This hair tool features an adjustable temperature setting and a wide wave plate, allowing you to create beautiful waves with ease. Get salon-worthy results and rock your desired hairstyle effortlessly. Please subscribe 24 Bazaar channel. Like, comment and share. Thank you for watching.